was 8 years old when I started cutting my own hair. My mom up until that point had been cutting my hair, and I was like, yo, I want to learn how to cut my own hair. And so she got me like clippers and scissors and a mirror. Now, were my haircuts whack? Yeah, probably. Were they uneven? Absolutely. But over time, I got pretty good. My earliest videos and most popular videos here on YouTube was me actually cutting my own hair. I'll link to that video down below because it's pretty cringy, but at the end of the day, it was awesome. When I was in 6th grade, I got in trouble for cutting the neighbor's hair. Like, I have always been really into like hairstyling, cutting, and it's something that even in college, I would cut my buddy's hair for like $5 to get money for pizza and beer. And my love for hairstyling, hair products was the reason why I started Pete Pedro. Pete Pedro is my baby. I love it so much, and it would be nothing without you. And so I just wanted to take a quick second and just thank you. Thank each and every one of you that have been willing to try Pete Pedro and fall in love with the products like we have. If you guys haven't checked it out, guys, link down below, discount code. And if you're not sure what hair product is going to be right for you, we've got a really cool tool where you go on, tell us what style you're going for, how much hold, how much shine, and then it will auto-generate a recommendation for you and your incredible hair. The line between flowing, luscious locks of incredible amazingness and crappy hair is a thin one. You got to know what you're doing. There are 10 things that we're going to go over today that are definitely sabotaging your super sexy hair game number 1. Not giving a crap about your hair. That is the first biggest mistake that I see a lot of young men making. They just don't care. I see them out. I see them about. I'm like, my God, man, you've got amazing hair. It could be so incredible. Not to mention greasy. My God, I have seen some young dudes with incredibly greasy, disgusting, nasty, stringy, look stinky hair. And this is the second biggest mistake I see a lot of young men making. They don't shower enough. Now, a lot of you were like, yo, I've heard that you shouldn't shower every single day. Here's the deal. When you are young, your body is excreting all sorts of oil, hormones. Things are going nuts. Some of you might be able to get away with every other day washing, but the majority of you should be washing your hair every single day. Third biggest hairstyle mistake I see young men making is hair in your eyes. If this looks familiar, all these young dudes incessantly doing this are not only looking ridiculous, right? It also is going to hurt you. Like, you cannot constantly be doing that without developing some serious neck problems. Fourth biggest hairstyle mistake I see young men making is too much product. If you're like, yo, that is a lot of hair product. It is a lot of hair product because this is the new Pete Pedro 4-ounce putty. 4 big, bold ounces of an incredible matte hair product. If you guys are looking for an incredible product that's insanely versatile, you got to check out the Pete Pedro putty. In my opinion, this is the best hair product on the market. There's a link down below if you want to check it out and read the reviews. It's not me, it's what you have to say about this. Common misconception that a lot of young dudes and older dudes have is that if your hair isn't staying in the position that you want it to, just use more product. And this totally makes sense. More hold, more product, it just is, right? No, it's wrong. Chances are you're using the wrong product for the given style you're going for, or you need to use something like a pre-styler. The sea salt spray by Pete Pedro is insanely amazing. Using a pre-styler, right after you get out of the shower, towel dry your hair, give it a few squirts, and then applying your product, in my opinion, is the best thing you can do to get incredible hold, incredible volume, and just have incredible looking hair. The fifth reason why your hair looks so whack as a young dude is you're using the wrong product. Proper product selection is critical to you having hair that you're proud of and that you like. If you're using the wrong product, whether or not you're using a pomade and you should be using a putty, clay when you should be using a paste, if you are consistently not happy with the way that your hair looks, chances are it's the wrong type of product for your hair. Sixth biggest mistake I see a lot of young men making is trying to do a hairstyle that is just not in the cards for you or your hair. Unfortunately, what happens is you'll go on Instagram or you'll see your favorite YouTuber who has different hair type, texture, and density than you do and think, yo, I want this. And it's never gonna happen. How hard you try, no matter what product you use, it never looks like what you're going for. You gotta be honest with your hair. And what I would recommend if you are somebody who is searching for a new hairstyle, use Google image search. You've got thin, blonde, medium length hair, maybe a receding hairline, a widow's peak, whatever the issue, you go into Google and search that. And what you're going to find is a lot of recommendations of styles that are going to actually work for you. Number 7 is too much touching. Guys, you got to keep your hands, your dirty little hands, out of your hair. The reason is because you are transferring all of the oil, all of the dirt, all of the grime onto your hair. The eighth biggest hairstyle mistake I see young men making is when they start to lose their hair, they don't do anything about it. If you are bald, you are beautiful. Like, let me get that out of the way. Anytime I talk about hair loss and how to prevent it or stop it or fight it, everybody's like, yo, I'm bald, should I worry about it? Here's the deal. If you worry about it, that's your business. If you want to keep your hair, that's your business. If you're bald and you want to shave it, I think you are the man, and I think it looks incredible. But if you're somebody who wants to keep their hair and is a little bit insecure, there are things out there that can stop it. Propecia, Rogaine, like there are things that you can take in order to slow it and stop it, but it's a treatment. Unfortunately, it's not something where you take it for a week or a month and it stops and then you can like not use it again. Ninth biggest hairstyle mistake I see young men making is product jumping. And what I mean by this is they'll buy a product, they'll see it advertised on YouTube or wherever, they buy it, they try it once, and their hair doesn't look amazing, so they're like, it's not this, and they try something else. Understand that there is a learning curve in any hair product you're going to use, all right? The other thing you need to understand is that one key to using a product is emulsification. I talk about emulsification all the time. Take a little product, all right? Rub your hands together in order to distribute the hair product. And what you're going to find is that it goes into your hair a lot easier, a lot smoother. This also activates the hair product. What happens is a lot of young dudes or dudes that just don't know any better will just put product in their hand, go like this, and then they do that and they got big shitty clumps of product in their hair. And last but certainly not least, the 10th biggest hairstyle mistake I see young men making is spending too much time styling their hair. You know how like there's some women, some dudes too, that are like just like super high maintenance, and it's like, oh my god, you never want to hang out with them because they're just like, oh wait, like get away from me. Exactly. Hairstyles, same thing. If your hairstyle is like high maintenance and it takes you tons of time to do it every single day, chances are you need to find a style that's a little bit lower maintenance, like Sheila, right? Sheila is like a good girl, right? She's easy, she's not too like needy, and she's always down. You gotta find your hairstyle Sheila, something that's still cool, super friendly, a lot of fun, still sexy, but just easy.